Welcome. So, this is a practice to help us ground back into our body when the mind is really, really active, when we are overthinking, and when the energy is basically all up here in the head. What we want to do with our practice is to allow the energy to travel back into the body, to recover sensations, to stop overthinking, and to feel just more regulated in a general way. So for that, we are going to start with bringing the hands and wrapping them around the head. And here we are just breathing comfortably. And what we're looking to do is making the exhale longer than the inhale, and also exhaling with the mouth. And the pressure on the head isn't too strong. What we are looking for is to feel the hands holding our brain here, but we're not trying to squeeze it, right? We just want to feel the hold, but we don't want it to feel constrictive. What we are doing is just providing a container for our brain, for our head, our thoughts, a container to for the energy to know where the borders and the edges of your body is. And gently relax your arms. I know it can be quite strong in the arm, that position. So let's gently relax them on your laps. And bring your awareness to the parts where your hands were a few seconds ago. Sometimes, after holding a position like this on our body for a few minutes, we can still feel the sensation as if our hands were still there after we remove them. And then bringing your hands to your chest, we are going to cross them over to your chest and do a butterfly tapping. So one by one, we are going to gently start tapping the hands on the opposite collarbone. And you can try different tapping intensity. You can try to go a bit stronger and then a bit lighter, just to find what is the intensity, what is the strength that feels best. We are not looking to feel uncomfortable at all. We're just looking for an intensity that feels good. Again, we are going to stay here for just a few minutes. So focus on your breath and in making the exhale longer than the inhale. So this exercise is a binaural activation. And what it does is that it reconnects the left and the right hemispheres of your brain. Sometimes when we get stressed, when we get dysregulated, one part of the brain kind of take over the other one. And we lose the equilibrium between the two. So we are not functioning optimally. Here we are looking to reactivate and re-engage both parts. And it's also a great way to help us process any emotion that came out and to lower the intensity of the sympathetic energy. And slowing down, we are going to release the arms again on our laps. And notice how you feel. Notice if you can sense more feelings and more sensations in the upper part of your body. I can feel like if the energy had traveled down from my head, and I have more sensations in my arms and hands and chest. But the experience might be different for everyone, so just bring awareness to what you are feeling in your body. Okay, and now we are going to move the spine. So whatever feels good to you, whatever feels like it will be a good movement to take right now, follow it. That might be waving and drawing figure eights like I'm doing with my shoulders right now. It might be doing some hip circlings. So rolling from your hips, one side and then the other. It might be a stretch, stretching your arms. Still with the breath, still exhaling longer. I invite you as well to take a gentle twist. So that might be Let's do that actually. Let's bring your hands on your shoulders and we are going to gently go one way, one side, and then the other. So go as far as it feels good. And looking around you as well, looking behind and around you as you do that. Awesome. Let's come back to the middle. See how you feel. Is there anything else that you feel would be good for your body to do right now? It might be stretching the legs, it might be like a forward fold, maybe um, a backward fold, whatever you feel would be good for now for you. You feel called to do, then go for it. If not, then we can end here. And I hope you're feeling good and you can feel the overwhelm starting to dissipate. Thank you.